Well, it's going to be a warmer and dry weekend for much of southern Oregon and northern California. We will get some wet weather to move back in to start our next work week. Some of that rain could move in along the coast Sunday evening, but most of it's going to hold off until Sunday night and then on into Monday for most of us. And then tracking potentially another period of active and much cooler weather late next week and into next weekend. Something to watch in the days ahead. But today, going to be beautiful to get outside. Temperatures warmer this afternoon, up to 77 degrees in Medford, 69 in Klamath Falls. We'll top out around 74 in Mount Shasta and 72 degrees in Brookings. Winds will be a little bit breezy along the coast. Take a look at those winds. Breezy for the coast, but inland winds will be fairly light today. But notice what happens on Sunday. Ahead of this next storm system, we will look for those winds to crank up a bit out of the west and southwest. Pretty widespread gusts, maybe as high as 20 miles per hour, so especially along and east of the Cascades and down in the Shasta Valley. Your Klamath Basin forecast the next few days. Notice those warmer temperatures this weekend. The mornings will still be pretty cold. We're seeing that out there this morning. But as we head on into Monday, temperatures cool back a bit. We will have some showers possible for parts of the east side, but not a lot of that rain is going to make it too far east of the Cascades. It's going to be kind of hung up. We'll show you a stormcast in just a little bit, but Rogue Valley the next few days, warm this weekend. Dry weather looks great for getting outside, but we got some rain likely. It's going to be a soggy Monday morning heading off to work and school. Also tracking that wet weather for the coast, likely moving in as we head into Sunday evening and night. Temperatures cooling back as well to start the work week. Here's a look at Stormcast with how things pan out through the weekend. Just some passing high clouds today, still mostly sunny, those warmer above average temperatures. As we go through Sunday, clouds will go on the increase. We're going to stay mainly dry across the region. Winds are going to pick up ahead of this front, but there's the rain. It's going to start moving in Sunday evening, Sunday night along the coast. And notice as we head into Monday, that band of rain. Mainly rain, but Stormcast trending maybe a little bit colder with some of this. Maybe we might see a changeover to snow up towards Crater Lake, but the bulk of this is going to fall in the form of rain. Notice, though, as it tries to make it east of the Cascades, it kind of fizzles out. So really, the bulk of the rainfall, the beneficial rain, is going to stay primarily along and especially west of the Cascades. Look at these totals in Curry County. We could see over an inch of rainfall, but look at the sharp drop-off as you head further to the east. But we'll keep an eye on it. Still, things could adjust a bit. But as we head on into the later portions of this next week, it does look like we're going to get into a more active weather pattern with another opportunity at more widespread precipitation late next week into next weekend. Temperatures kind of up and down over the next 7 days in the Rogue Valley. Your 7-day forecast for the coast will look for that rain to start to move in Sunday evening into Sunday night. Taking a look at Northern California, we're going to stay dry this weekend. Warmer temperatures expected. A little bit of a cool down with that chance of rain on Monday. The Klamath Basin, temperatures topping at around 70 this weekend. Winds pick up a bit on Sunday. Just not going to get too much rain with that system on Monday, but more opportunities for wet weather later in the week. For the mountains, mainly rain on Monday. Snow levels look high, but we'll keep an eye on that for you as we go through the weekend. And then in the Rogue Valley, warm this weekend, a little bit of a cool down with that rain on Monday, and then potentially more wet weather expected late in the week.